wamekaa wanapiga picha ya ID, hawa smile ni kubaya ai wanacheza. Ni aje wazee, yani Julie, yani na sahi, yani tumetoka kuwa na the entire challenge open space where we got young people from different parts of the country to come together and to just share and to interact with each other. Why we're doing this is for the last 5 weeks, yani we've been doing something called entire challenge, and basically trying to find which is the most informed, which is the most creative, which is the most organized, which is the most relevant in time Nairobi. Tujue nani first body tumechoose kuuza opinion. So the whole idea is basically how do you get young people from different parts of this city to just interact and connect among themselves, and of course to find local solutions to some of the local challenges that they go through. So the whole idea, we tulikuwa na interface of all the Nairobi route numbers online on the mtatua.com, and then wasao kuna sign up. If you come from a particular route number, Matatu route number, let's say 32, you click on that route, and then you of course put in your details, and then if some other people in the same town do the same, and then you form a team, and then other towns do the same, and then when you form a team, you compete with other towns. The beauty of about the challenge Sai is that Sai also there's so much, and there's energy and vibrance, and so vibrant, and make sure that we implement some of the ideas that they have. So it's not just about the ideas, about also the issue itself. So the 5 weeks, that's the first phase. The second phase is just implementing some of the ideas that they have. So we, from our side, from Kama CCC, what we do, we highlight some of those issues. We highlight the things that they're talking about. We highlight the challenges. We highlight everything that they are going through, and then of course, and the solutions also. And then other people from outside, from our other spaces, connect with them, so that way they could. They're interested in how do we get the best out of these people while I participate. The rest will come, because they'll start seeing the changes that are happening in those communities. So hata kama mmoja, so Saudi, so Kayole, so Dago, so Kibera, they have their own solution that doesn't happen, and they create this energy that you cannot ignore. So for me, that's how do we create this energy that is so powerful that young people, everybody will be attracted to that energy, and it's happening. Yani ukienda kwa community out like Moka, even their political leader and MP and whoever is know about them and following up on what they're doing, suggesting ways of implementing. Ukienda Bira the same, ukienda Dagoretti the same, ukienda Saudi the same, and it's young people. Unajua wale watu we thought cannot be tamed, or we thought helpless kids don't know what they want, but you put them in space and you facilitate and have a platform for them, you'll be surprised what they can do. Yeah, niaji wazee, make sure go to mtachallenge.com, check some of the things that we are doing as these young people are doing in their communities, and it's powerful, yani, and make sure you follow and support them.